Do you know many people are having trouble with lighting their Char-Broil Performance barbecue burners? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check valves. First, ensure all gas burner control valves are in the off position. Step 2. Open lid. Open the grill lid to allow the gas to dissipate and to prevent a fire hazard. Step 3. Turn on gas. Turn on the propane gas by slowly opening the valve on the LP cylinder. Step 4. Ignite burner. Push and turn the burner knob to high, then press and hold the igniter button until lit. Step 5. Retry ignition. If not lit in 5 seconds, turn off, wait 5 minutes, and repeat the ignition process. Now you should be able to safely light the burners on your Char-Broil barbecue. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Char-Broil users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.